Welcome to Google Meet for Beginners. In this lesson, you will learn how to use Google Meet to have virtual meetings with anyone from anywhere. Google Meet is a video conferencing program that comes with every free Google account. With video conferencing, you can have meetings with people using your computer or mobile device. You'll be able to see and hear each other, much like you would if you were in the same room. You can use Google Meet to host or attend almost any type of digital meeting, like work meetings or family or social gatherings. You can also use Meet to remotely attend school or interview for a job. You don't need any special equipment to use Meet since it uses your computer or mobile device's camera and microphone. If you have already taken the lesson Google Docs for Beginners, you created a celebration planning document in Google Docs. In this lesson, you will learn how to hold a virtual meeting in Meet to help plan your celebration. If you haven't taken Google Docs for Beginners, that's fine. Just think of a celebration you could be planning with your friends or family. The actual celebration you choose is not important. It's just a way to help you practice the skills you'll learn in these videos. So you can make up a celebration or think of an event you're celebrating in your real life. In this lesson, you'll learn how to start an instant meeting, schedule a meeting in advance, turn your camera and microphone off and on, and turn on captions. This lesson shows the features of the free version of Google Meet. If your office, school, or organization has a paid Google Workspace account, some aspects of Google Meet may function a bit differently. If you're in a room with other people who are also watching this lesson, it may be a good idea to wear headphones. This will help you avoid unpleasant sound issues caused by the microphones from different computers picking up the sounds from other video meetings. As you go through the lesson, keep this video open in a separate tab so you can easily go back and forth between this video and your Gmail. If you're not already signed into your Google account, open a new tab, go to google.com, and sign in now. It's okay to pause the video if you need to. If you need a reminder of how to sign in or create a Google account, watch Welcome to Google Apps for Beginners to learn all the steps. Now it's your turn. Open a new tab and sign into your Google account. Or watch Welcome to Google Apps for Beginners to learn how to sign in. Then click Next to watch your next video.